Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry that I don't upload here anymore. All of my videos are over on Instagram, but I thought that I needed to put this one up here because I don't know if you guys want to be Pamela. I can't deprive you of that. First, I had to cover my brows. I used the glue stick method. You just put down some glue, you smooth it out, you put down some more glue, you smooth it out, and then you do 5, 6, 7, 8, as many layers as you need to. Put on some powder, a little bit of a corrective color. I used a peach eyeshadow, and then you want to cover it with a stick foundation, and then I think I covered it with about 3 more layers of foundation and concealer. Just doing my regular base of foundation and concealer, and I'm using the new Milk makeup brushes to blend it out, and they are so good. And then of course we gotta set everything with some powder before we go in and contour. This is gonna be a really heavy contour because I was going for more of a transformation makeup. I really wanted to look like Pam Anderson. Let me know how you think I did. Do I look like her? Do I just look crazy? What do you think? The nose contour was my favorite part. I think she has the cutest nose, and I just love contouring noses. I love it. And just look at the shape of her nose and look at how the shadows and highlights kind of play on her nose, put them on my nose, pretty much drawing a brand new nose to look like someone else's nose. It's a really weird thing to do, but it's very entertaining. I'm baking the sides and the tip of the nose just to get that highlight extra pop in because this is an extreme nose contour. Next up, the iconic 90s brows that I think she still has now. I just used some eyeshadow first to sketch them on to try and get them really nice and even. Then I went in with a darker brow powder, and then I used a brown felt tip to draw in some little hair strokes so they looked a little bit more realistic. Dusting off that extra powder that we had baking on the nose, and then I'm going to go in and add some highlight. Highlighting is not only a lovely way to look glowy and healthy, but you can also use it to help illusion makeup. Anything highlighted is really going to pop. Next up, we're doing a cool tone smoky eye, something I would never actually wear. It's not my thing, but it was definitely her thing, so we had to do it. When I'm doing a transformative look, I am always looking at a picture of the person who I'm transforming into, and I'm always making little adjustments, little tweaks, making things pop more, making the contour stronger, just going in and really trying to look like the photo of the person, like painting on a new face. I realized that the tip of her nose is pulled down a lot farther than mine, so by using that little highlight on the tip, I was trying to make the illusion of having that little septum bit, because I don't have that on my nose at all. To complete our slutty smoky eye, I added some Hostile Honey lashes from Likely Makeup, and then put on mascara on the top and bottom lashes. For lips, I went in with a dark lip liner, and then I put on a liquid lipstick that I thought was going to be lighter, but it ended up matching the lip liner, so I went in with a lighter gloss. That was too dark, so then, yes, I actually put concealer on my lips to make a very Pam lipstick. And then I added a little bit of blush. I would like to wear more, but this is not me, this is Pam. I went in and made a little bit of a stronger contour, and then I had to backcomb the shit out of my hair. I felt like my Pam needed a Kid Rock, so I sent Luke to Walmart to buy that shirt because he didn't actually have any undershirts like that. And then I gave him a really flattering nose job. What do you guys think? He is such a good sport. He would literally do anything I wanted him to. He just loves being included. It's so cute. I put my hair extensions under the hat so he could have some really nice long hair. I tried to conceal some of his beard so it looked more like a goatee. I don't know how well that worked, but I didn't want to shave his face to make him look like Kid Rock. That's a little bit too much. We even gave him a paw tattoo, just like Kid Rock. I felt like I did a really bad job and that I didn't look like Pam Anderson at all until I saw the footage and the photos. And then I was like, all right, I kind of look like Pam. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for watching, and I promise I will have more videos soon. Okay? I promise.